Adia first no ohu a adia obi hu a onfa yan asem no be make sure say obe pass ma free mu aba e de ahyew victim players wono na abo party yaw obe ba be say eh e de na eye wo mi hunu ye o nso na ye ono a be very careful. They are dangerous. They are dangerous. Only victim player ati wa ware mu a opese wo jaa wo a no hunu kwan a obefa so a obe share that creative story na story na he no wagina so na fi wa jaa o uka bi pe e na odi be nyina so no. They are trap setters, victim players. They always set trap to play victim. Retia wariem we oba we bem we no asum fidi ato ho opese wo jaa wonti no asum fidi ato ho ebari hu anwaba
Abusuya baya enna kakra de nyina ye nim ye ekoso ewo Bishop Daniel Kwadwo Obinim en na yere Florence entem ya wo nsam no ene beye say yempo ewo internet me so na eno ena moa ama ojaba ede no baje mu ema anche ena ye hu se reverend obofo so edna no ababeto sa ensem no mu a na wo kire se adwobro embra na sumdwe enyiniti ya wo be kire se woni sofopani ojaba akasa ya sabre so do beto na mo no akakopie mu ewo Obinim fie na woni wo mu nyina akakokasa se wo mu hwe na asumdwe na after say reverend obofo ebe pass sa comment no yente se sofopani ojaba ababe video asan abo Obinim din bi ma Ghana fo nnanim se sa be anka asumdwe aba ama etuo akakotwere ne etwe na busu an kwasam ne se kwasie day na eye Father's Day e na ye papa Bishop Daniel Kwadwo Obinim eba abonten e na obeye video ya na woda manfo a efre no ereshe no Father's Day no woda omu nyina ase na wo kire na ni so aso se wo matimi akai no eda etisa na busu an sa video na wo ye no eno ase and now people comment say yeah watch say please don't leave mommy please na say what they crying emoji bebre egu ho obi no and our wish no happy Father's Day we no e will be an wakwa reshe Bishop Daniel Kwadwo Obinim Father's Day no was sign na this ready e kan ho say was na ma wonjai ye maame Florence Obinim na odi ne suo e kan ho na eno and na Bishop Kwadwo Obinim no ankasa a sign bar bonten a reply because one and the TikTok account no manage it request here and pay edikoye and our panacho some more jai na and will reply and a reply no say and what kind was saying a bad man like me cannot marry a good woman like Florence. I need a bad woman like myself. Florence needs a good man like herself and I am a bad man. I have accepted it. It's what you was say well no send what say pa woye be mani paboni fuwe die enya ade se ne yere a woye oba papa sei wo se fata no da enti no waje atum se woye be mani paboni fuwo na emo mo hia wo ba wo no so eni paboni ni te se wo no a na na yere Florence so de sa do no so hia be ma woye ni papa te se wo no a na wa ware enti no waje ne mfom so ade atum ti wei ana Ghana fo se and ka me say Bishop Daniel Kwadwo Obinim onya ansem ni manen kai divorce na wo pe no eno a na wo pe na se gina na ogina se divorce no se na etie bia ebeba na busunya we koda atwen a ana the former pastor Savior Ababonten and waba be video no watch say Bishop Daniel Kwadwo Obinim wo ye victim player wo ye obi a se wo ya ade se wo PBB obehye that the father say wo no akwa play victim no na wo gina so na wo da any opese wo ye nti divorce ya Ababonten ya adane nkomo a ye di Bishop Daniel Kwadwo Obinim divorce na no wo pe na mo obehye da wada sa na afi wo no mom no ababa ye victim na wo gina so no they are making not original so not they are granted divorce no at the ama Florence Obinim a ne wo ye na the former pastor no say entrekese na Bishop Daniel Kwadwo Obinim na busia me yenkote se na Savior e kan sam no specify.
They are pretenders. They are pretenders. They will pretend Pharisees. They will pretend. They will make sure that people will destroy your reputation. Ombe tumrika babontia be ye deden suro na de sika wo dem. Me hu omo say no play victim ana me hwe omo din. O de sika be wo wachi wo be boat yo wo dem wan hwa o de obe ba bontia be ye deden tem abrawu na wawu wo dem wu ti dem a wu su no. No ye dede wa bonten. Se wumpo ene ya bonutuo. Be careful about victim players. They are dangerous. They are dangerous. What they say can be wo sunu no aba abonten abaye announcement. Say onu mom and a muja tuno. Victim players, they are dangerous. I mean, who so mu play victim or media and so be play victim. No, hey, obeyen tema be announcement. Ama what before. Utia ye ya ube before. Me mani bi. Utia ye ya ube before manim. Omuye CEOs ni bi. Omuye directors. Omuye mpanyifo ube before manim. Abrebia on pese omu yusu. Edi cleaning omanim gwasiye. Victim players, they are dangerous. Onipa o play victim no. What to say? Hey, what to say will be a side pan o chen wudifo, o chen wudini. Wahuni sa wunye ne boni, wunye ne shi papa nkwana uye no. Nanso obe make sure so obe kwaan no de ahoma chichiro. Obe pass em kituwa bi agina so. Na sa asem no obegina so ama wo be difo. As soon as you discover this, run for your life. As soon as you discover that people play victim around you, run for your life, because they can kill you at any time. They can destroy you at any time. They can massacre you at any time. Please share the video, tap the screens. As soon as you discover that this person is a victim player, that you have not wronged him or her, but he all of a sudden change his mood, change his attitude towards you, as if you have done something, then begin to complain about you to people that you have not done anything. Be careful about them. Victim players. They are called victim players. They are very tactical in their dealings. They can tell you, hey, don't go there. That is where they are coming from. You see them the next day, they are coming from the same place. They can fake in whatever they do. And tomorrow, if you don't take time, you follow what they are doing. You follow their action. And before you realize, they will turn around and tell you, hey, we haven't done anything. Very dangerous. Radisha Obibia Wabaso, Mawani Naho, Yabo media issue, ye den asofo play victim. Ye nyame juma imu victim players, omo doson papa. Asofo juma imu victim players doson in this ministry. Especially Christian ministry. Victim player, it started long ago. Pharisee for time. They play victim. Utia ye di ombe ye wono ubebodam. Utia ye di ombe ye wono. Utia ye abontensofo be hu ne asiwabu akum. Nanso na ba ku play victim. Nanso na de wadi kan no play victim. Normally no omo ye nwa, omutimi ye omo din ti se de omo ye din omo na dangerous. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Be very careful about victim players. Charles Kofi Nyame, Archbishop, I salute you for joining me. The Radishal Archbishop. Nkofo ye dangerous. Timi hwe no ma ekoso na me wedi a me si bibiansi. Mitumi kase bibiansi. Me hure. Me manya hu so obi tumi obi 10 years ago 20 years ago ediba nyina me hu crofol ni the way omu behavior me hu say they play victim nti betwi me hudi na me nam de metumi na maka me kan wi a me na me call no hwe. I don't joke with people who play victim. Omu ye dangerous. Na normally no omu ta di din crofol omu mpekasa omu force wa ma wakasa Ombe force wa ma waka bibi because ebeji wonsa be kese ade minim ho hwe o obeyi wa no abre ehihye dam ehihye office ehihye phone so you be play victim around you na onye hwe. They are where you have not done anything, just for their personal gains, just for their personal gains. Sebe ya omumfa so omenyanti mfaso omenyanti omwankesa mfaso omuyefu de ombedinti yebe sell yebe destroy yebe pamatade a shell. They play victim, they are dangerous. The we obesi aye no ma no obi kura tumi su no oda form nso won tejai enye no kura biada o play victim. I've met such people in my life before, and so I've come to realization that if you are watching me, be careful. You have also come across those people before, but you haven't realized it yet. Don't wait until it is too late. Don't wait until it is too late. Run for your life. Victim players are dangerous. As you are praying through the Holy Spirit that the Lord will help you, the Lord will protect you, the Lord will preserve you. Also pray that the Lord will deliver you from the hands of victim players. They are deadly, they look harmless, but they are dangerous. Sometimes their facial look, their everything look harmless, but they are dangerous. They will play victim until you are dead. They will play victim until they take away your business. They will play victim until your marriage is destroyed. They will play victim until you are sacked from your workplace. They will play victim until they terminate your appointment. They can play victim until you anything happens to you. Even if you die, they don't care because of their personal gains. Be very careful and be vigilant. I've come your way this evening just to alert you of victim players. They are dangerous. Victim players, 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 they are deadly. Be very careful. Victim players. Say omo pew adi uboni a ometwe na bibi omanya bibi kituwe bi agina so. Ade a enya asem victim player de be yasem amana ye kese. Ade a enya asem obedi be ye nyina so wode be ye foundation wode be to fapem na obebiem obekirem amana ye kese. Obemana ye kokro no waton de ato abonten ne nkrofo ato ne yadi watem ne yasew. Ade a first no ohu a ade a obi hu a onfa yan asem onu be make sure say obe pass ma free mu aba e de ahyew. Victim players wono na abo party yawo obe ba be say eh e de na eye wo mi huru yo nso na e ono a. Be very careful. They are dangerous. They are dangerous. Only victim player ati wa ware mu a opese wa jaawo a no wo hunu kwan a obefa so a obehye da create story na story na he no wagina so na afi wa jaawo uka bi pe na odi be nyina so no. They are trap setters. Victim players, they always set trap. Obe set fidie bi ato obe set fidie bi na wo wa kwa kotom. Almost sunsum fidie o hwame awade yiwum fiti sumfo fidie bia mu. Victim players, they set traps. Ezo abra wote wona wani nna no onu be sum fidie atoto wa kwan bia so akwan na wona nam so no ho na obe sum fidie na ato. Wona netio ohunu se onhu kwan bia wode be fa so no wasum fidie ato ha we yi anyiwa ha be yiw eyiw pe no wadwane aye fast e de aye nyina so ho na ode be ye nyina so nso anka first ndi obe correct o say de wo ye anka obi kura ante ba se de enye ne saa eye fidie omusum fidie de omoto te se hook no to set darwa no. Yes, they set traps. Be careful. Everybody you free. Sankrofon insani paponi fu omote sano. Everybody you free omunsam. Yesunsum fidie no. Everybody you free omunsam. Everybody be wani fa omo. Victim players. Omusunsum fidie, they are trap setters. They will set traps for you. Omusunsum fidie twa hu ahia. Hey, wuti anye yi a ubetom. Wani ambie ne wani andawa ubetom na unya tomu a omni beye nyina so enu ano me udi obepa omo chewa bre udi esuma nkrofo ye den enya adwuma efiri se wasum fide na to wo body tirimu po dada ene wasum fidie na to no wabetum ye pe Yesu akuno na Yesu ya sunu fidie Farisifo ye pe na kunu dada ye pe na se ne dada na ya sum fidie yesi Yesu akoka se wode nansa ebesi Jerusalem sore dan na emo dakrope na odi be juri agu na numu asem omo de anya no Jerusalem asore dan ya yedi 46 years asi dakrope na obe juri agu wanya asem omo make sure me se do obe yewo no wani nka victim players omo sum fidie obe huwa na wakwa kotum bompa yese wo kwa adwuma fidie bia eda kwan so ya sum de to kwan mu adwuma yefo ni bi se kokotom ne yi wadi no ewade nsi ano kwan ma wo ewade nsi ano kwan emfa ma wo ewade nsi ano kwan emfa ma wo adwuma trap setters omu play victim relatia wariem we oba we bem wo he no wasum fidi ato ho opese wo ja wonti no wasum fidi ato ho ewade hu amabo ewade hu amabo no wonji wo mfiri san krofo ne nsam ewade hu amabo ewade hu amabo victim players always pose themselves as friends but inwardly they are enemies. So as soon as the Holy Spirit helps you to discover them, disconnect yourself. Listen to me again. Victim players always pose themselves around you as friends, as loved ones, but within them, they are enemies. So as soon as Holy Spirit helps you to discover them, disconnect yourself. If not, they'll kill you one day. Victim players, they are dangerous, they are deadly. Victim players, they always use people for their personal gains. They use people for a purpose. As soon as they are done, they will dump you. And as they are dumping you, that is where they play the victim. After using you to achieve their aim, to achieve their aspirations, to achieve their goals, to amass their wealth, after using you, they will now plan a way, they will now find a way to eliminate you, and by so doing they will play victim. They can plan, they can scheme something that you have not done. Please tap your screen. Tap your screen. They can scheme, they can plan something that you have not done, something that you don't know, you know nothing about. That is when they will use it as basis to eliminate you. But then they have already used you for whatever they want. Be very careful. As soon as heaven helps you to discover victim players, make sure you disconnect yourself. Make sure you disconnect yourself. They are dangerous because they always find fault. They always use people and then dump them. Victim players, and they will not turn around to tell others that you are ungrateful. Those are the ways they use. They'll come to you and then they'll play around you as friends, but within them they are enemies. Within them they have a target that as soon as they reach that target, they will now find something against you and then based on it to eliminate you.
Etabusia we enenye sa bredi ekoso ewo Bishop Daniel Obinim nchen se wi ansam no ebusia yakwa koti ede abano na Ghana fododo na na etrese sene wo mo hwe Bishop Daniel Obinim ne yire bebi a wo mo ware ye free ya de bedru ya over 20 years enya na monketwa eti e besrese bebi akomahura kodru bia no wo mbehwe se akoma beba foma sem bie ni wo be wiase a ye de sekan ene papa mu eya no esen ende techema ene ya na edeka emasumbi etimi benti wo mo hwe sakoma ebetimi atoyem ama bibia akodede anye hwe kwankwala ewo wo mo ntem so mo de wo mani ebeto enkwala no Ghana fo adesre yom de bae ni bi ana me de aba so message wo so bi da comment no ewo comment section ho e de ama me all the social media handles no too much gh. Go subscribe, like, share na for so ni bi ahwe makra.